Fox was playing outside when Franklin arrived. Franklin pointed nervously to the sky. "I think we should go inside, don't you?" he asked. "Not yet," Fox grinned. "I love watching the clouds move and feeling the wind blow. It's exciting." "I think it's scary," said Franklin. Beaver, Snail, and Hawk came over to play too. "My fur feels funny when it's about to storm," said Fox. "My feathers get all ruffled," said Hawk. Beaver sniffed. "I can smell a storm coming." The wind became stronger. Hawk flew. "Loop-the-loops! Whee!" he cried. Franklin held on to his hat and shivered. It was almost as dark as night when big fat raindrops began to fall. "We should go in!" shouted Franklin. "No," said Fox. "Follow me." They raced to the treehouse, where it was dry. "Fox," called his mother, "time for everyone to come in." "It's all right," Fox shouted back. "We're in the tree." Fox's mother was there in a second. "It's dangerous to be near a tree during a storm," she said. "Lightning strikes tall things first, and you might get hurt." Franklin held on to Fox's mother all the way from the tree to the house. They were barely in the door when there was a flash of zigzag light. "Lightning!" shrieked Franklin. He trembled. "Kaboom!" "Thunder!" he screamed.